Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhagyashree. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is illustrations of CMA final paper number 14 SFM. Topic is financial derivatives in that auctions in that Black and Scholes model. Okay. So today we will solve illustration number 40. Consider the European call option. So this is the only one question which is based on call option. Okay. There is no more difference in the formula of put and call option. Little bit difference is there on the stock. Okay. So call option on the stock where the ex dividend dates, okay, 2 months and 5 months. So basically this question contains the dividend also. Okay, so adjusted spot we have to calculate, and two types of dividend is given. One is for 2 months and another is for 5 months. Okay, the dividend on each ex dividend date is expected 0.50. so this is the dividend amount. आफ्टर दैट करंट शेयर प्राइस मतलब स्पॉट दिया हुआ है. उसके बाद एक्सरसाइज प्राइस इज अगेन 40. stock price volatility is nothing but a standard deviation. Risk free rate of return, that is R, is given, and the final maturity amount, okay, that is T is 6 months. Okay, so first of all we will copy the information which is given in the question. So question number 40, उसमें spot is 40 rupees 40, exercise price is 40. After that standard deviation is 30% and R, that is rate, 9% is given, 9%. आफ्टर दैट डिविडेंड वन जो है उसका जो अमाउंट है, मतलब दोनों का सेम ही है, 0.50 ही है दोनों का. सो रुपीज़ 0.50 ओनली. टी टाइम पीरियड इज डिफरेंट. सो डिविडेंड वन का जो टाइम पीरियड है वो 2 मंथ्स है और दूसरे का 5 मंथ्स है. सो इधर 2 मंथ्स एंड इधर 5 मंथ्स. एंड जो फाइनल ओवरऑल टाइम पीरियड लास्ट लाइन में दिया हुआ है 6 मंथ्स. ओके, now price of a call option. Okay, only formula difference is the put option formula was starting with this part and ending with this part, and here starting in a different way. So first of all adjusted spot because dividend is given, and here difference is that in put option minus sign we were taking, here no minus sign. Okay, so you can observe the formula, rest part is same. So adjusted spot we are going to calculate, and total 2 types of dividend are there. So we are calculating for 2 types of dividend. Okay, so spot is rupees 40, dividend is 0.50. Here also it is 0.50, but time period is different. So E R 9%. So 0.09 multiplied by T1. सी डिविडेंड 1 का टाइम पीरियड 2 है और दूसरे का 5 मंथ्स है. ओके, सो हियर 2/12 and here E 0.09 multiplied by 5/12. Okay, so here 40 minus 0.50 divided by value I will calculate. Here 0.50, here also we are going to calculate. Okay, first of all we will calculate this. 0.09 multiplied by 2 divided by 12. Okay, I am getting like this. Now use that value, multiplied by 244,17206 plus 1. This 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, I am getting like this. So 1.0151. okay, 4 decimal. Here 0.09 multiplied by 5 divided by 12. I am getting like this. So multiplied by that value 244,17206 plus 1. 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, we are getting like this. So 1.0382 I am getting. Now just divide and we will get the values. Okay, so first of all this value we are going to calculate. 40 minus 0.50 divided by 1.0151. okay, I am getting value like this. So I will take up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so 2 decimal places तक हम लोग ले लेंगे. इधर 0.49 माइनस इधर हम लोग देखेंगे 0.50 divided by 1.0382. okay, we are getting like this. So up to 2 decimal again. So up to 2 decimal अगर लेंगे, that is rupees 0.48. okay, 0.48. now 40 minus 0.49 minus 0.48, sorry 48. finally I got 39.03. okay, so rupees 39.03 is my adjusted spot. okay, adjusted spot. So here 39 0.03 multiplied by I don't know this value, and present value of exercise price we are going to calculate here. So exercise price is basically 40 divided by ERT. So 40 divided by ER is 0.09 multiplied by T मतलब overall time period 6 divided by 12. Okay, here 40 divided by I don't know value, we will calculate it. Okay, 0.09 multiplied by 6 divided by 12, I am getting value like this. So multiplied by that number plus 1, and this is 12 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so this is 1.0460. Okay, so 40 divided by 1.0460. Okay, 1.0460 I am getting like this. So 2 decimal tak 38.24. Okay, 38.24 I am getting here. So we will use this 38.24. I don't know this value, we will calculate it. Okay, now we will go for D1 calculation. Okay, D1 calculation करेंगे. इधर natural log is equal to adjusted spot just now we had calculated, it was 39.03. okay, 39.03. okay, after that exercise price is 40 प्लस R का रेट हम लोग को दिया है 0.09 प्लस 0.5, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज 0.3 का स्क्वायर, एंड टाइम पीरियड ओवरऑल टाइम पीरियड इज 6/12. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट डिवाइडेड बाय स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज 0.3 and here 6/12. okay, now 39.03 divided by 40 I am getting here like this. So I will write the entire value. Okay, 0.97575 plus here first of all see 6 divided by 12 0.5 आता है. okay, so here 0.3 का square multiplied by 0.5 plus 0.09 multiplied by 0.5. okay, so it is like this. So 0.0675 divided by 6 divided by 12 I am getting like this. इसका स्क्वायर रूट करो और मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.3 कर लो. ओके, सो दिस इज लाइक दिस. सो हम लोग लेंगे अप टू 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस 0.2121. ओके, 0.2121. now next calculation we know that if we want to cancel this log value, then reverse steps we are going to follow. So I am just typing this number, that is value. Now reverse calculation. So here 12 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. ओके, 12. उसके बाद प्लस 1 नहीं माइनस 1 और मल्टीप्लाई नहीं डिवीजन. ओके, दैट नंबर 244172006 I am getting value like this. okay, so we are going to use this value. We will round off up to 4 decimal places. okay, so 4 decimal places तक round off करना है. Here we have written then plus 0.0675 divided by 0.2121. okay, so 0.0245 which is in minus plus 0.675 divided by 0.2121. okay, I am getting value like this. So up to 4 डेसिमल तक हम लोग को लिखना है. So 0.2027 I am getting here. now D2 के लिए D1 का वैल्यू 0.2027 माइनस इसका वैल्यू 0.2121. ओके, सो 0.2027 माइनस 0.2121 आई एम गेटिंग हियर. निगेटिव में आ रहा है. ओके, निगेटिव में आ रहा है हम लोग का माइनस 0.0094. ओके, 0.0094. नाउ हियर माइनस अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, नॉर्मल जो आंसर है वही लिखना है. सो D1 का आंसर हम लोग का आया था 0.2027 D2 का 0.0094 विच इज़ इन माइनस, ठीक है. सो वी विल यूज Z टेबल हियर. पॉजिटिव में 0.20, ओके. सो 0.2 सी 0.2 है, 0.2 है, उसके बाद 0 है. सो 0.2 के बाद 0 मतलब ये लेना पड़ेगा 5793, 0.5793, ओके. आफ्टर दैट इसका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं. निगेटिव में 0.0, सी निगेटिव में 0.0 और उसके बाद भी 0 मतलब ये लेना पड़ेगा, ओके. ये लेना पड़ेगा 0.5000, 0.5000, okay. Now we will use this in the main table, main formula. So here D1 का वैल्यू हम लोग का मिला है. This answer may not be exactly same as a textbook answer because of round off problem, okay. राउंड ऑफ की वजह से एग्जैक्ट सेम नहीं आ पाएगा कभी कभी. So here 39.03 multiplied by 0.5793, okay. I am getting like this up to 4 decimal तक ले लेंगे तो भी सेम ही आएगा 22.61, okay, because here 00 is there, okay. So let it be. Now 38.24 multiplied by 0.5, okay, it is 19.15, okay. So 22.61 minus 19.15, I am getting 3.49. So let's take the answer. What is the answer? Little bit difference is there. See 3.67, we are getting 3.49. That's okay. Now last question of the options. Finally we are going to complete the option. That is question number 41. Okay. So what is the price of European put option? Again we have to calculate the put option price. Okay. Non-dividend. So normal question is there. Non-dividend. Okay. Stock price. Okay. Stock price मतलब current आज का spot price. And strike price मतलब exercise price, okay. R is given and standard deviation is given, okay. And maturity time, that is T is 6 months, okay. So let's start. Here we have written the entire information which is given in the question. Now we will go for the calculation. So put option is there, so again put option वाला formula आएगा, okay. So present value of exercise price, first of all exercise price is given, that is 70 divided by ERT. So rupees 70 divided by R is 0.05 multiplied by T मतलब time period 6/12, okay. Here rupees 70 divided by, we are going to calculate this value, okay. So 0.05 multiplied by 6/12, I am getting like this. So multiplied by that number 244,17206 plus 1 is equal to this is 12 times, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, okay. So it is 1.0253, okay. So final amount, final value we are going to get, we are getting 68.27, okay. So we will use this 68.27 multiplied by, I don't know this value, minus spot is, because dividend is not there, so spot we are going to use, not adjusted spot, okay. So normal spot, and we don't know this value, so we will directly go for the calculation of D1 and D2, okay. So D1, natural log, here spot is 69 and exercise price is 70, okay. R is given 5%, so 0.05 plus 0.5, and here standard deviation is given 35%, yeah, 35% means 0.35, okay. 0.35 का square multiplied by time period is given 6 months, okay. So 6/12, okay. 6/12 divided by 0.35 under root 6/12, okay. Now 69 divided by 70 करना पड़ेगा, 69 divided by 70, it is 4 decimal ले लेंगे. So 0.9856 0.247 प्लस वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट दिस. ओके 6/12 का मतलब 0.5 होता है. ओके 0.5. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 0.35 का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.5 प्लस दिस 0.05 multiplied by 0.5. Finally I am getting like this. So you can round up to 4 decimal places also. I am taking 4 decimal only. ठीक है. So here I have taken 4 decimal. After that division, first of all 6 divided by 12 उसका स्क्वायर रूट करो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.35 करो. ओके सो ऐसा आ रहा है. 4 डेसिमल तक ले लो 0.2475. After that we are going to find out the value of this log. Okay so 0.9857, this is the value. Reverse the steps. First of all this 12 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, then minus 1 divided by that number 24417,206, getting like this. So 4 decimal तक ले लो 0.0144, 0.0144. Then plus 0.0556 divided by 0.2475. So 0.0144 which is in minus plus 0.0556 divided by 0.2475. I am getting like this. So up to 4 decimal तक लेना है 0.1665. Okay so here I have written the value up to 4 decimal places. After that next part we are going to calculate, that is D2 का वैल्यू. सो D1 का वैल्यू है माइनस ये डिवीजन वाला. ओके 1665 minus 0.2475 minus 0.081. Okay now we are calculating for put option. So if positive answer is there we have to write negative 1. Okay and here it is negative so we will write positive because minus minus cancel हो जाएगा. Okay so here I have written positive value. Okay now we will use the Z table. 0. माइनस वाला 1 सो माइनस वाला 0.1. ओके माइनस वाला 0.1 उसके सामने है 6 सो 6 के लिए ये कॉलम 0.1 और 6 के लिए ये कॉलम है. सो 4364 आ जाएगा. ओके 0.4364. ओके for practice you should take a printout of this Z table. I have already provided the PDF of this table, same table. Okay in the Telegram group you can check it out. Now 0.08. okay पॉजिटिव 0.0 का मतलब इधर आ जाएगा 0.0 राइट. 0.0 उसके आगे 8 है 8. 0.0 के आगे 8 इसका मतलब 5319 0.5319. ठीक है. After practice you can easily do that. When I was doing first time this Z table and all, I was not understanding in a proper way, but now by practice it is possible. Okay now we will use this value. So D2 का वैल्यू हम लोग को यूज करना है. D2 का 0.5319. D1 का वैल्यू है 0.4364. now calculation we are going to do 68.27 multiplied by 0.5319. okay this is 36.31. okay 28 4 डेसिमल तक ले लेंगे. 69 multiplied by 0.4364 30.1116. just deduct this. 36.3128 minus 30.1116. final answer is 6.20. okay 6.2012. okay 6.2012. you can take up to 2 decimal places also. now we will check the answer. what is their answer? it is 6.40 somewhere ड्यू टू राउंडिंग ऑफ, ओके, राउंडिंग ऑफ की वजह से या फिर जेड टेबल में जो कैलकुलेशन होता है उसकी वजह से थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस चल जाता है. 6.40 एंड वी आर गेटिंग 6.20. ओके, सो हियर we have completed illustration number 41. Along with that we have completed options part. Okay, so I will provide you the notes in the telegram group. Okay, if you found this video helpful then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel's playlist to get more videos on various topics, and also join the telegram group to get a notes. Link is given in description box. Otherwise you can directly search in the telegram by tapping the channel name. Thanks for watching friends.